Hiya everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a fun video. We're going to be unboxing or unbagging this Avon makeup bargain bag. I absolutely love Avon bargain bags. If you have watched me for a while, you should know I love Avon bargain bags. I like the blue ones, which has got like a variety of stuff in it. Normally has one makeup item. Do a red one, which is like a bigger one. I'm out of breath, sorry. I ran up the stairs. And then we've got the makeup one. They didn't have the other bags, which I'm really sad because the blue one is only £10 or £15. That's my favourite. This one was £8 and supposedly you get like £25 worth of makeup in, but £8 anyways is a bargain. Well, we're hoping it's a bargain. So let's see what we get into this £8 makeup bargain bag. I really hope Avon start bringing these back. I love them. Alright, so it looks like we've got a few items in here. So the first thing, we've got the Smoothing Matte Primer. Now I think I've had this and it's canny, but it's like I've got enough primers in my life. And I am a dry skin girl, so I don't need matteness. So I will probably keep this for giveaway pile, but this is really good, like a pore filling. This is a good little item actually, and I think this range is about £8 or £10 this, so that's good in itself. But I've had it before and it's just a bit too drying for me, but if you've got pores, it's definitely good for that. Right, well, next item we've got a Avon Colour Trend Fashion Nail Enamel. This is more like the budget brand, like it's even more younger people, but I use them. And this is in Metal Love, so let's see what the colour of this is. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I like that. Can you see it? It's like green, pink, purple. Oh, that's beautiful. And I've had these nail polishes before and they were quite canny. I've never even seen that in the book. That's really nice. I might paint my nails with that. Next we've got a MARC Skinny Precision Longwear Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Boldest Black. So by the looks of it, it's a kohl liner, yeah, like a pencil liner. I've actually got this in my drawer. It's one of the eyeliners I've got, so I'm going to keep this for the giveaway, for my giveaway items. But that is a good little black eyeliner and it is really black. Granted, I can't see how long it lasts. It says it's a long wear one, but when I've worn it, it's always been like for a couple hours for Halloween looks and then it's washed off. Because I don't really wear eyeliner very much. Next is this Coral Caress lipstick. Let's open it up. I love like these thingy sealy things. So satisfying. It's got rose gold packaging. I haven't seen this packaging before. It must be the newer packaging. Oh, it's like marble-fied. I don't know if you can see it. It's very faint, but it's like marble-fied. You can see it on the tip. I don't want to touch it just in case I decide not to keep this, because I could gift this along. But that is really, really nice. So pretty, but I just don't know whether that's a shade I would wear. But I do need to come out my comfort zone, and that would look really nice with my orangey bag and orangey sandals. So I think I might keep this one for myself actually, because I do like Avon's lip product formulas. And then last but not least is another nail polish, and this is the MARC Gel Shine. These are really good nail polishes, and this is in So Jelly. And these I think range from about £5 if I remember rightly. And this is like the colour of the season at the minute, purples. So pretty, so I don't know whether I might put this one on my nails next. I definitely think I'm just gonna file these down. I don't know whether I'm putting gel polish on or not. I fixed my thumbs because they're chipped, so I kind of put a glittery black on, but they're definitely due an infill, so I think we're gonna have to do them. But that's so pretty. And I do need to start using my nail polishes. Really nice. And then I can change my nails easier if I use nail polish on top of the acrylics instead of gel polish, because it's a lot more work to get gel polish off. So I could have different nail nail design every week. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do, but I think this is like the colour of the season at the minute. Really like that. And these are really good formulas. So I think they're like the items I got in this bargain bag is really, really good. I paid £8. So we got the Smooth and Matte Primer. I'm going to put that away for the giveaway. I got the Skinny Precision Longwear Eyeliner. I'm going to keep that for a giveaway. I'm going to keep this for myself. I'm going to step out my comfort zone and I'm going to be brave. So I'm going to keep the Coral Keras lipstick. Should I swatch it then, since I'm going to keep it? Oh, it's so creamy. Oh, that it would go gorgeous with my bag. Really, really nice. So I'm dead excited about trying that. Then we got the Love Metal nail polish, which was really pretty. Without taking that out of the box. And then we got the So Jelly nail polish, really pretty. I definitely think I'd get another one of these. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. I never normally buy the makeup one, because like I always feel like I've got enough makeup, which I do. But no, I like that. Like, I've got a couple of items for a giveaway. I've got an item for myself. I've got a couple of nail polishes. I love a good nail polish, gel polish. I love anything like that. Yeah, so I'm happy with it. Do you think I got my £8 worth? I really do feel like I got my £8 worth. If you like these type of videos, I do unboxings, mystery bags unboxings. I've just done a mystery clothes bag unboxing. So if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. It's either this side or this side. I don't know which side it is. And I'm doing a giveaway at 500 followers on Instagram. So I would love it if you just go and follow me. It's always linked down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.